The ED crackdown on PFI linked to the Hathras riot conspiracy plot there continues, while the UP government sources have now said that the radical outfit Popular Front of India received funding worth over 100 crore rupees there to spread caste hatred in the state. The revelations came amid ongoing ED probe into financial links of the PFI to supply funds for clashes. Abdul Salam, the PFI vice president, is under scanner now of investigative agencies in connection with alleged funding case. On Monday, a PFI activist, Masood Ahmad, along with 3 other suspected PFI members, were arrested in UP's Mathura. Hate literature, mobile phones, laptops were seized from the group. The ED is now looking at whether the same PFI individuals who were examined during the Delhi riots are involved in funding and spreading fake propaganda in the Hathras case. Abhishek Mishra joining us live for more details on that. Abhishek, we understand that the PFI now under scanner, 100 crore rupees that they've received as funding, and the ED now suspects that this could be to instigate caste riots and hatred. In fact, the PFI link now to the Hathras riots conspiracy plot there only highlighted through this funding there. The radical outfit, why can't that be banned if there's that much substance against the PFI?
Well, absolutely, and it has come at a very important time when the, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will also, from the past 3 days have been making it very clear that there is a conspiracy to, affect the situation of law and order, specifically in Hathras. And today, when there is a confirmation by ED that, there is a transfer of money around 50 crores from Mauritius, and the investigation is underway, and there is also a possibility that the amount is more than that, and not only Mauritius but some other Gulf countries. There is a speculation about that as well. So certainly it's a big development, and as far as this whole case is concerned, the government on the one hand is trying to balance the situation. They are trying to maintain the law and order, but the angle which has now added to it, which is of course of PFI's connections and the kind of conspiracy was behind, certainly gives us an idea about the kind of situation it is. But yes, the connection is confirmed, and it remains to be seen how the agency will take it forward and what all developments will cover in the near future. Yes.
Right. Thank you very much, Abhishek, for joining us with those details there. Now, in the meanwhile, the special investigation team probing the Hathras murder case has questioned the victim's older brother. This comes after call records which have been accessed by India Today show that 104 calls were made from the victim's brother's phone to the main accused. The series of calls took place between October 2019 to March 2020. The SIT was at the victim's house today. In fact, the victim's family has also now been provided with multi-level security by the Yogi government. 2 bodyguards will be with each family member 24/7. 18 armed Jawans will also remain outside the victim's house, apart from a team of cops inside the house. A metal detector has also been placed at the entrance of their house. The 3-member SIT team has now got 10 more days to submit its report in the Hathras case. The report is likely to be submitted on the 16th of October. In fact, it may end the confusion over whether the girl was raped before being strangled.
परिवार से जो है हम लोगों ने अनुरोध किया है कि यदि वो कोई अन्य साक्ष्य, कोई और एविडेंस वो देना चाहें तो वो हमें दे सकते हैं, और बाकी एक जनरल उनका जो है हालचाल लिया है, बस यही है। और उनको ये बताया है कि हमारा जो है समय बढ़ गया है।
चाहे गांव के बाहर की सुरक्षा हो, गांव के अंदर की सुरक्षा हो या परिवार की सुरक्षा हो, सभी इंश्योर की जा रही है। ट्रिपल लेयर सुरक्षा है, साथ ही साथ पर्सनल प्रोटेक्शन के लिए भी सुरक्षा कर्मी मुहैया करवाए गए हैं, और साथ ही साथ परिवार के कंसेंट, उनकी अनुमति के बाद ही यहाँ पे कुछ पॉइंट्स पे सीसीटीवी लगवाए जा रहे हैं, और ताकि अगर कोई ऐसा तो ना हो कि अनाधिकृत रूप से कोई उनके घर में घुसने का प्रयास करे। सुरक्षा को लेकर प्रशासन पूरी तरह चाक चौबंद है। हर चीज में परिवार का कंसेंट लिया जा रहा है, उनकी अनुमति ली जा रही है, उसके बाद ही अतिरिक्त सुरक्षा व्यवस्था के इंतजाम